back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to ring someone in a community voice call in WhatsApp. This feature allows you to get someone's attention during a group voice call, ensuring effective communication. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. Step 1. If you haven't already, download the WhatsApp app from the Play Store. Simply head over to the search bar, type in WhatsApp, and look for the app with a phone icon on a green and white background. Tap on it, then select Install to begin the download. Step 2. Once the download is complete, tap on Open to launch the WhatsApp app. Sign in using your credentials as you normally would. Step 3. On the main screen, you'll find the Chats section. To the left, there's a little icon with multiple profiles stacked on top of each other. Tap on it to access your communities. Step 4. Within the Communities section, you'll see the communities you're currently a part of. Tap on the relevant community, then scroll down to find your groups. Select the group you want to initiate a voice call with. Step 5. Once inside the group chat, locate the telephone icon next to the 3 stacked dots. Tap on it to start a voice call. Step 6. During the voice call, swipe up to open the Participants menu. Next to each participant's name, you'll find an option to ring them. Tap on this option to get their attention. By following these steps, you can easily ring someone in a community voice call in WhatsApp, ensuring smooth and effective communication within the group. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching, and happy voice calling.